Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to create smooth, eye-catching scroll animations in Canva without paying for extra apps or software, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a dynamic scroll animation for your next project, presentation, or social media post, all completely free and right inside Canva. So let's not waste any time and jump straight in. First things first, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have one, don't worry, signing up is quick and the tools we'll use today are available in the free version. On the Canva dashboard, look for the Create button and from the drop-down menu, select Videos. This choice is key because the scroll effect we're designing works best as a video format, giving us full control over movement, duration, and transitions. With your blank video project open, it's time to start building our scroll animation. Find the Elements tab on the left. This is where you can add shapes, lines, or even images depending on the style you're after. For scroll animations, though, text is often the star of the show. So now go ahead and click to add a text box. Place it toward the bottom of your canvas and type in your message. Maybe it's a quote, a call to action, or an announcement. Make it something that stands out. You can adjust the font size and color to fit your brand or mood. Don't be afraid to play around here. Visual appeal really brings the animation to life. Now let's create the sense of movement. This is where duplicating comes in. Click on your page and hit duplicate not once but 3 times so you end up with a total of 4 identical pages. Sometimes people get tripped up here, but having multiple pages gives us the frames we need to make your text scroll smoothly, almost like an old film strip or a flipbook. On each subsequent page, you'll want to move your text box slightly upwards, little by little from the bottom where you started on the first frame, gradually moving closer to the top in each duplicate. Think of it as watching your text walk up a staircase. You don't want it jumping, just a gradual, steady upward shift. Take your time with this part and don't be afraid to nudge the text up by the same amount on each page for a consistent, professional look. Next comes the magic touch, transitions. Click on the space between the pages and in the Transitions menu, select Match and Move. This effect tells Canva to gracefully animate the changes between each frame. We're essentially letting Canva do the heavy lifting here, blending each move into the next for you. You might notice at the bottom of the Transitions panel, there's an option that says Apply between all pages. Click that to make sure every transition has that seamless scroll effect. We don't want it working on just one page. Almost done. For that perfect packing, look to the side of the animation panel where you'll see an option to adjust the timing. Change this to 1.5 seconds, which speeds things up just enough to feel dynamic, but slow enough for viewers to easily follow along. You can always tweak the timing later to fit your brand's style or your content's length. And just like that, you have a beautiful scroll animation, all built within Canva for free. Take a moment to preview your animation. You should see your text gliding smoothly from the bottom to the top. If something feels off, go back and adjust the placement or timing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Canva hacks. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy creating.